on the floor of the IMS show in Dallas, Texas, and you can see I've got Rick Fairless with me and Lena Fairless, his daughter. We're in their booth. They've got a lot of beautiful Victory motorcycles here. Rick is a columnist for Ironworks magazine, which makes me extra proud to have a minute here to chat with him. Rick, tell folks why they want to come over and see Strokers Dallas.
You know, Strokers Dallas it's an experience. You know, we're a motorcycle shop, we're a bar and grill, and we're a tattoo parlor. On any given Saturday or any given Sunday, I'm going to get 500 to 1,000 bikes out there. And the cool thing is, it's Strokers Dallas. I don't give a dang if you're riding a Harley or a Victory or a Honda or you got a Ford Pinto parked out front. Everybody's the same, and everybody is welcome at my house at Strokers Dallas. It's just a fun place to hang out.
Yeah, and you make it fun. I think that's part of it, right? You give people a reason to come out. Lena, you've been working at the business for a number of years now. Tell me what your role is there at Strokers.
My role is I run the store, I run the front counter, the apparel department. I mean, I do the insurance, I kind of do it all.
You do it all? Gosh, your dad's lucky to have you, huh? And so this is a family business, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And what's it like working with family? Which one of you want to talk about that?
I'll talk about it since I'm the one that makes the paychecks. You know, working with family is good because they have your back. You know, family has your back, but it's tough to work with family because if I tell my employee Jennifer to do something, she's gonna say yes sir and she's gonna do it, or she's gonna be out the door. If I tell my daughter Lena to do something, and if it's not something she wants to do, she's gonna argue with me.
No, I can't believe that she'd be insubordinate. Lena, come on, let's have your side of the story.
You know, sometimes I think that my way is better because he has his ways set in stone. So I feel like we should put a new spin on it, but it's his way or the highway. I've done this way for 30 years, why change now? So it's like kind of like, okay, finally you just have to say, okay, we'll do it your way, even though I think it's wrong.
And that makes you happy?
Well, the way I look at it is, I've been driving this bus all this time. Now that we're getting close to the promised land, don't start telling me where to turn. I got this.
Okay, folks, before the fight starts, I'm going to cut it off right now, but it's really been fun visiting with Rick and Lena Fairless. Come on out to Strokers Dallas and have some fun with us.
See ya.